From the poll I had yesterday, I noticed that out of 650 people, almost 320 were interested in manifesting money, followed by specific person and appearance changes. Also, looking at comments, I noticed that some were manifesting multiple things, but money was a common thing. So, today's video will be based upon manifesting money. How to do it effectively with one simple exercise that was shared by Neville Goddard and that can help you manifest it easily. I didn't create a dedicated video on this topic earlier, but here it goes. It is so simple and easy that it can bring noticeable changes from the moment you do it. When you do it, be open to receive money from all sources. You will receive money from unexpected sources as well. For this exercise, I suggest you first take a currency note. The currency note you take must be the one you use locally. Let's say you have a $100 bill, or if you are from India, take a 500 rupee note. Now sit with this note and study it. Look at it from all angles. Notice what is written on it. Give it your undivided attention. Notice how it looks in your hand. Now, feel the currency note's texture, how it feels in between your thumb and index finger when you count it. Feel it again and again. Feel the 3D security ribbon on the currency note. Feel the distinctive features. Now, use your nose. Smell the currency note. Many of you have never manifested using the sense of smell, and it would be a great adventure as the sense of smell is more powerful than you think. Money has a distinct smell. You can test it by using different dollar bills and then blindfolding yourself and picking a random note. You might be able to identify it. Now the last activity that I recommend is listening to the stack of currency notes. You know what I mean by this, the act that you do with your thumb when holding a stack of currency notes. This step is optional. You can do it or not. It's up to you if you have access to a stack of currency notes. If you look closely, all the activities that I talked about involve 4 out of the 5 senses. It involves sight, touch, smell, and even sound when you follow the last step. Only the 5th sense of taste is missing, as I hope. Being a normal human, you don't eat $100 bills. So, why did I make you do this activity? Well, I wanted you all to get familiar with money. If you want to be a millionaire, you should know these qualities about money. When you love a person, you get interested in them, you ask them questions, and you try to get to know them deeply. But how many of you even noticed these things about money before? How many of you have even smelled a currency note before? How many of you have spent some time with currency notes before? So, this activity is necessary as it will help you with this manifestation technique. To begin, first think of a certain number. Let's say you want to manifest $10,000. Close your eyes and start imagining a stack of $100 bills amounting to $10,000. You can now easily imagine it. Hold it in your imaginary hands, smell it, and hear the sound when using your imaginary thumb. Hold it in your imagination. Look at it lovingly. Do it for some time, then feel it with your fingers. Try to feel the 3D security ribbon. It would be easy for you as it was a physical fact for you a moment ago when you did this activity. So just feel them. Feel the texture, the print. Now take this stack and try to smell it. It has a distinctive smell. Now start counting these bills. Keep count of them in your imagination. Count them till it reaches $10,000 and your stack gets finished. Tie the stack with a rubber band and repeat your affirmations. I am a millionaire. Money flows easily into my life, or I am a money magnet, or whatever you made up for yourself. Just repeat this activity. Take out some time to perform this imaginal act. Do it till the point where you feel natural. Feeling natural is the thing you want to experience. We bring our inner world into alignment with the thing desired through imaginal activity. We are creating an experience internally that will be mirrored in the outside world, or the 3D world. That is why you are all repeating affirmations or visualizing a scene. You are all doing it to create an inner experience, to feed your hunger, to make you feel satisfied. Once you experience it in your imagination and feel it real, it is bound to happen. So, start doing this activity from today onwards. Holding the money in your imagination will take away all of your anxiety about getting it. When you do it, your subconscious will start doing its work. It will bring you opportunities through which you can earn it. You might get a gift of that amount. You might get a raise at work. You might win it in a contest. Your business might start booming, or your family members might get lucky and share it with you. Whatever happens, you will have the desired amount once you do this activity faithfully. Also, don't speak badly about money and yourself. Never ever have a bad inner conversation that conveys that you are not good enough for it, or you can never receive it, or people earning money are evil, or I cannot afford it. Doing all this is not at all helpful in your manifestation journey. So, I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe for more videos like this. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.